What's up, y'all? My name is Devin, the DIY Lawn Coach. Thank you so much for coming back for another video. So guys, I've got a really quick one today. We're gonna be short, we're gonna be brief, so make sure you stick around all the way through the video. I have got a hack for you. So I'm out here putting up my Christmas decoration. I've got a problem. This Liriope down here has got to go. What happens to Liriope in the wintertime is it starts to go a little bit dormant. You can see it's starting to turn brown, so we gotta get rid of it. And so I've got a quick hack for you guys for how we're gonna clean this all up. Let's get into the video. All right, so here are the tools we're gonna need for today. We're gonna use our DeWalt battery-powered hedge trimmer. And then I've got a piece of rope. Nothing special about the rope, but we are gonna tie what I guess it's called a slip knot into the end. Now, I'm not a Boy Scout, so for those of you that are, if I screw this up, please don't be too harsh on me. But we're just gonna tie a simple slip knot into our rope. And I'll show you why we're doing that in just a second. But this little hack is gonna make cleaning up Liriope so easy. Again, I mentioned Liriope is gonna go dormant in the winter. And so ideally, we wanna trim this back before we get any new growth. So what'll happen over the winter is this is gonna get all matted down and look nasty and ugly. And then in the spring, it'll come back with all the new growth, and this plant will be healthy and beautiful again. So the hack, normally, you could come in here with a pair of scissors or a hedge trimmer and just cut this down. But what happens is you end up throwing the debris everywhere. So what I have come up with is a hack to be able to keep all this nice and neat. We'll come in, we'll whack it off, and then we'll throw it away, and we'll go out and do all this. It'll only take me just a few minutes. So let me show you what we're doing. So we've got a rope with a little knot at the end of it. We're gonna come in around the base of the Liriope. Okay. Put our rope through it, and we're just gonna kind of pull this in nice and tight like that. We're gonna bunch it up just like that. And then we'll tie this off so that the rope doesn't lose its, lose its tightness there. I don't know if that's a word. So that'll stay there. Then we'll take our hedge trimmer, and we're just gonna come in and we're just gonna saw it all off. And then all this bunch will be together, and then we can throw it away nice and neat, easy peasy, just like that. So let's get to work. Okay, so we cut that off, and look at how easy that is. No mess to clean up, just like that. Now I missed a little bit here, that's okay. We'll come in here and take care of this. And that's it, it's done. Let's keep going. We got, 5, 6 more to go. How easy is that? that's it. And I know what you're thinking. Devin, your beds, your pine needle beds, they look like crap. I know. I'm gonna work on that. But now that we've got the Liriope up, once I put down those fresh pine needles in the spring, that Liriope will come up through there and be beautiful. Thank you guys so much for checking out the video. Hope you found it helpful. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, give the video a like. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.